Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial, we shall be making a spring. Here we shall see its application in the silage making machine final assembly. So please keep around and also continue watching. If you're new, consider subscribing, comment, like and share. So start with the top. Make a simple circle for 15 millimeters in diameter. Apply a spring. And I'll maintain all those. Want to come and apply a feature. Say okay, then I'll come and draw a circle. Increase 2.5 like that. Then I'll come and add the relationship. Okay, so I'm going to revolve, to sweep edge, then curve. So this is the first part of the spring. The next part is about making an extension from this point. And I'll use a 3D sketch. It will run from this point and down, then the side like that. So this is 7.84. This is 8 millimeters. This is 13. We also have a fillet. It is of 3 millimeters, so I should reduce this 3 millimeters like that. So do the conversion of that to a sketch. Then you repeat the same command, which is the sweep. Okay. I'm repeating this command. Show why it's misbehaving. Okay. I've gotten it.